Welcome children. Today's worksheet number 44, solution. In this worksheet we will revise solution. A homogeneous mixture of two or more substances called solution. Solution क्या होता है? Homogeneous mixture of two or more than two substance is called solution. Examples are given to you. Sugar solution. If we dissolve sugar in water, we get sugar solution. Tincture iodine is the solution of iodine in alcohol is called tincture iodine. Aerated drinks means cold drinks. All cold drinks are solutions. Examples of solution. And brass. Brass is an alloy. Alloys are also solution of solid into solid. There are two parts of solution. How many parts? There are two parts of solution. First one is solute and second one is solvent. Solvent क्या होता है? Solvent is a part of solution in which solute is dissolved and its quantity is more than solute. So solvent quantity of solvent is more than solute. And what do you mean by solute? Solute is the substance which we dissolve in the solvent and quantity of solute is less than the solvent. For example, to make the ORS solution, small amount of sugar and salt are dissolved in water. So, water is solvent and sugar and salts are solute in ORS solution. Now, generally solution is considered as a liquid substance in which the solid, liquid and gas are dissolved. हम क्या समझते हैं generally कि solutions are the liquids in which solid, liquid and gases are dissolved. But in nature, beside liquid solution, there exists solid solution. Means we dissolve solid substance in the solid. So solid solution example is alloys in which metals are homogeneous mixture of metals or mixed metals. Gas liquid solution. Gas liquid solution is also exist in nature and liquid solution in which we dissolve liquid in some other liquid. So these are the examples of some other liquids. Now we will discuss the properties of solution. What are the properties of solution? First property of solution is solutions are homogeneous. Second, they are stable in nature. Third, the size of particle of the solution is less than 10 raised to the power minus 9 meter. It means the particle size of the particle is very small and they can't be seen. These particles can't be seen by naked eye. हम उसको अपनी आँखों से नहीं देख सकते हैं. Due to very small size of particles, they do not scatter a beam of light passing through the solution and thus unable to see the path of light. If we throw a beam of light on the solutions, we can't see the path of light in the solution. The solute particles can't be separated from the solution by filtration. By filtration or by the method of filtration, we can't separate particles of solution from solution. Now we will discuss question answer. First question is, what are solutions? State with example. Solutions क्या होते हैं? Give examples. So solutions are the mixture of two or more than two substances is called solution. They may be solid solution, gas liquid solution and liquid solution. Examples, sugar solution or alloy, just like brass. Brass is an alloy which is made up of by mixing two metals, copper and zinc. Tincture iodine, when we dissolve iodine in the alcohol. So these are different examples of solutions. What are question number 2? What are different components of solution? Explain. there are two components of solution. First one is solvent and second one is solute. So solvent क्या होता है? Solvent is a part of solution in which solute is dissolved and its quantity is more than the solute, or solute is in the solution, solute is present in less quantity than solvent. Question number 3. Below given are some examples of solutions. Identify solute and solvent from them. Also mention whether they are solid, liquid or gas. So different examples of solutions are given to you. You have to find out solvent and solute in these solution and also whether they are solid, liquid or gas. So first one is air. It is gaseous form, and in this air tincture of iodine. एयर में क्या होता है बच्चों? एयर इज गैस इन गैस. एयर में नाइट्रोजन जो होती है, नाइट्रोजन सॉल्वेंट है and other gases are solute. Second one is tincture of iodine. tincture of iodine में क्या होता है बच्चों? tincture of iodine में solute कौन होता है? iodine. and solvent क्या है इसमें? solvent is alcohol. So this mixture is in liquid state. लिक्विड होता है. थर्ड वन इज वाटर. वाटर इज अ सोल्यूशन. एरिएटेड वाटर is a solution in which different impurities are dissolved. So this solution is liquid. Aerated drinks is the solution in which water is a solvent and carbon dioxide gas is, or some other flavors or color are solute, and this is liquid form. Next is aerated humid air. humid air में क्या होता है बच्चों? humid air is a gas in water in humid air means water in air. And it is gaseous form. Water in air, these are water vapor, and air is solvent and water is solute. Next is humid air, sea water. In sea water and pollutants in air. sea water में क्या होता है बच्चों? In sea water में water is a solvent and salt. L, this one is L, this one is T, this one is L. Salt like NaCl, sodium chloride, is solute. So salt is solute and water is solvent, and this is in the liquid form. liquid form. Next given to you pollutants in air. So pollutants in air क्या होता है बच्चों? pollutants solid होते हैं, air क्या होता है? gaseous form होती है. air is a solvent and pollutants means particles of dust and other lead particles. So pollutants like dust, lead, carbon, all these are solute and this is gaseous form. गैस होती है ये. नेक्स्ट इज pollutant in air. Next question is write the properties of solution. So you can write the properties of solution. Here the properties of solution are given to you. So you can write properties of solution first, second, third, fourth. There are 4 properties are given to you or you can write very easily. Next question is what is liquid solution? Liquid solution in which solid substances dissolve in liquid. Such solutions are called liquid solution. Example, sugar solution or salt solution, in which we dissolve sugar in water or salt in water. So liquid solution is the solution in which solid dissolve in any substance dissolve in solid substance dissolve in water or any liquid. Thanks for watching.